I wrapped the pipe from the kitchen sink with aluminum foil. The effects were visible after just a few days. This trick was shown to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of this use of tinfoil before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in the pipes of the kitchen sink. When washing up, food residues get into the pipes. They are responsible for the bad smell from the sink. To wash up, we use warm water, which dissolves the grease. In the drain pipes, it begins to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Tear off a large piece. Then tightly wrap the foil around the pipe with it. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. It has thermal insulation properties. This will keep the water flowing through it warm longer. Oil and oily sludge will drain into the vertical pipe. It will not settle in the trap pipe before draining. I have tested this trick myself, and there is no longer a bad smell coming out of my sink, even after pouring leftovers from the pan. I am delighted that such a cheap and simple way really works. I took the bag off the drain, and what I saw surprised me. First, grab a cup or small glass. Pour in your favorite dish soap, filling the cup halfway. Dish soap contains surfactants that effectively dissolve grease and help remove dirt. Now, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to break down mineral deposits. Then, top off the cup with vinegar. Vinegar is a natural descaler and disinfectant. Mix everything well. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, prepare the drain. Remove the strainer and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning properties and neutralizes acids. Pour the prepared mixture into the drain. When the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, it will start to foam. Cover the drain with a plastic bag to trap the reaction inside, directing the cleaning power exactly where it's needed. Leave it for 20 minutes. Afterward, remove the bag and flush the drain with hot water. Finally, rinse the sink to remove any residue. If you have any leftover homemade cleaner, use it to wipe down the sink for a sparkling clean finish. Regular use of this method will help prevent clogged drains and keep your sink fresh and clean. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves 2 problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems.